On this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make coconut banana bread. So if you're interested on this recipe, watch it to the end and also help me to share this video, okay? So we're starting first with banana. I have this banana at home. I'm not going to waste this banana. I'll use it for something nice. So I transfer it into my blender, add a little bit of milk. You can use water if you don't have fresh milk. Blend it very smooth and then transfer it into my bowl. You can also match it if you don't have blender. So next I'm going to go in with butter, and then I add my vanilla flavor, 2 raw eggs, sugar, and then I'm going to mix it very well to combine. If you struggle on how to make banana bread, follow this recipe. You are not going to make mistake again. Then I transfer my coconut flakes on it, mix very well to combine. Once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my self-rising flour. You can also use plain flour, but make sure you go in with baking powder or baking soda. So next, I'm going to mix it up very well until the dry ingredients go into the wet ingredients. So once I'm done mixing it, this is the texture you want to see. You don't want it too liquid or too hard. Next, I'm going to set it aside, oil my baking pan, and then I'm going to transfer it into it. Now tell me, after watching this video up to this point, does it look like something you would love to try? If you find this video helpful, please do well to help me to share it, okay, so that it gets to more people. So guys, lastly, I'm going to go in with some coconut flakes on top of it before I bake it in the oven, which is totally optional, okay? So next, I added some dried coconut flakes I made at home, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and bake. At this point, my oven is already heated. Once I put it in the oven, I'll reduce the heat of the stove. For the leftover one, I transfer it into a smaller baking pan, repeat the same process, and then put it in the oven and bake it. So I bake this for about 15 minutes and then that is it. Guys, take a look at this. Now tell me, are you going to make your own bread? This is 2026, so start to do some certain things for yourself. Take a look at this bread. It really came out nice. I know I'm not professional when it comes to baking, but I think say I don dey learn. I don dey sabi books small. Look how soft it is, guys. It came out perfectly well. No difference with the ones you buy in the shop, or will I say this one tastes better than the ones you buy in the shop, because when you make things your own way, you go in with ingredients the way you want it to be. Guys, take a look at this bread and now tell me in the comment section, does this right here look like something you would love to try? Drop your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please help me to share it. Bye.